See this right here? Could be yours. Tell them a little bit about it.
Tell them about this truck, about all the blood, all the sweat, all the tears, all the man hours that went into building this piece of perfection.
One lucky viewer or watcher or listener or subscriber, whatever you are, can take this truck home.
Let me tell you why you want to own this truck. This is a replica of John Wayne's truck, the Duke. And the Duke, at the end of his life, was diagnosed with stomach cancer. Cancer is an ugly thing, it's terrible, but John wanted to make the world a better place, and he said to his family, use my name to help fight the cancer.
I was going to swap that flight right on your face.
You're going to punch me right in the nose?
Right in the face. I was just going to do one of these. Wham!
The coolest part about this truck is it's a replica of John Wayne's truck, the Duke. And at the end of the Duke's life, he was diagnosed with stomach cancer. But he said to his family, use my name to help fight cancer. And so they created the John Wayne Cancer Foundation, and you could win this truck, and all the proceeds of the truck are gonna go to help the John Wayne Cancer Foundation, who has already helped sponsor over 200 doctors and help over 100,000 people a year against cancer. So, you, my friends, have a chance to win an awesome truck, a piece of history, something that is a replica of what John Wayne himself drove, and you have a chance to help fight cancer. It's a win-win for everyone. So, click the link in the description below. Hurry. Alright, so I've got Chris underneath the hood of the John Wayne truck, seeing what's going on, see what we have to fix, what we have to change in order to get it exactly like John Wayne's truck. Tell me what you have discovered.
The wrong color.
The wrong color? That's it? That's Camino colors right there.
Yeah, the Camino
That's
color.
that's why I liked it so much. Perfect. The way it was from factory, all we need is an AC compressor, a belt, repaint this to blue and a fuel line.
The fuel line, yeah.
4 things?
Yeah.
Huh.
So Amigo worked really hard and got the water pump and everything swapped out so we can get this off to Robbie Layton. Started topping it off with fluids. Housing has a crack in it right in the casting, so called O'Reilly's. They're gonna get it.
Are you serious? Ron's just gonna breeze over that just like that? That we just have a crack in the housing? No, you need to understand, we took over 2 months trying to find the right base vehicle. Just so happened that one popped up locally here and we were able to pick it up. And the running condition was awesome. The outside was not as bad as we thought it was. It wasn't rusted out, anything like that. This was the perfect truck for this job. We just added $10,000 onto our budget by having to repair, dig more into this motor, and get it in running condition so that it'd be ready to run within 2 months. And we had to get it to Robbie Layton. We were late along the entire way. This was a giant setback for us.
Called O'Reilly's. They're gonna get us one quick, so I'm gonna run down there and grab one so we can get it swapped out tonight, so we can get it out to Robbie Layton.
Rules of engagement. Robbie said even though there's a lot of dust on here, don't try to wipe anything off right now. We just do all our stuff. Because I stole it from him early, we're in charge of painting the engine bay. This is gonna be great.
Cross wires or what?
Sitting at the Ethan. That'll wake him up.
There's the second.
So how are you doing this?
Weather burning? Well, it's a wood burner.
That only took 30 hours and 40 minutes.
How many hours on both?
That would be 74 hours and 30 minutes.
One time.
Exactly.
That's unreal. That's so good.
Thanks, man.
You got skills, my friend.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
I'd put that somewhere safe before I lose it, because that's about what's happening. If you give that to me, it'll be gone forever.
I got perfect faith in you, man.
I'm impressed.
Wow, from a distance I thought it was that one. That's amazing.
Isn't that crazy how identical they are?
Amazing.
Check out the.
Oh, and that's brown interior. Wow, check out the interior.
Looks like
Woo! Oh my gosh. That is
a little
so
extra love
cool.
from Mr. Billy Luber
And this
himself.
is stick. Oh my god.
Look right there on the seat.
I see it. Wow. Amazing.
So that face right there is like 30 hours of hand burning leather to get that image in there.
This thing is unbelievable. It's a stick. Oh, you gotta love that.
we didn't have a stick, did we?
No.
It's got a full fresh heart ready to go.
Wow.
I want to give a huge shout out to everyone involved. We could not have done it without you. You absolutely crushed it and did your very best to perfect this beautiful machine. Now, it's finally time where you have a chance to support the John Wayne Cancer Foundation. You have a chance to be part of a special cause, save lives, and possibly win the Duke 68. All you gotta do is click the link in the bio below. Get entered. Let's go! Guys, we just had an absolutely incredible night down with Casey Field, down with Nick Luciano, down with Roy, down with Robbie Layton, down with all these guys to help kick off the giveaway for the John Wayne Duke 68 that's going to help fight cancer, that all the proceeds are going to go to the John Wayne Cancer Foundation. Incredible night, incredible giveaway. I'm excited to start working towards helping more people fight cancer, helping doctors get trained to fight cancer. And I just was so grateful for all these guys helping us push the giveaway, helping us build this amazing truck. Special shout out to Robbie Layton, painted it pristine. It looks exactly like the Duke's truck. Huge shout out to all the boys at Sparks Motors who put in countless hours, blood, sweat, and tears to making sure that this truck was perfect. Absolutely perfect. I mean, the Wayne family couldn't even tell the difference between John's original truck and the replica truck. It's incredible. You guys did an amazing job. Robbie did an amazing job, and Luber. Come on, bro. The amount of talent you have in your body is absolutely incredible. You drew John's face inside the cab of the truck on that piece of leather so that whoever wins will be literally riding with John Wayne for the rest of their lives. Luber, you got a gift, my friend. Everyone who helped with this truck, thank you so much. And you, who's watching at home, this is your chance to be part of an amazing cause, to help fight cancer, to help donate to John Wayne's legacy through his cancer foundation. And at the same time, it's your chance to win a truck, the same one that he had. Pretty cool, right? Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hey, you gotta get the latest Sparks Motors swag. Take your mouse, click this link if you have a mouse. Does anyone have mouses anymore?